I completed my engineering back in 2018. Suppose that I have a 15 months of experience in mechanical engineering field itself, but I wasn't quite comfortable with physical fatigueness over in the mechanical field, and that's why I went on to start my own startup. And since then, really wanted to do something in marketing. And we all know that getting into marketing is such a tough job, and it's either MBA or nothing at all. That's when I came across this course by Kravshala, and I decided to enroll myself in it. And now I got placed into one of a startup named Safe Homes, who is preparing Wi-Fi adapters. I think I made that decision because Kravshala has given me so much of functional knowledge as well as changed me behaviorally in this 3 months. And it's a perfect platform to start a digital marketing career. I was definitely planning to do a 2 year MBA in marketing. I saw that perks of doing a course, just 5 months course. First of all, the fees. Doing an MBA, if you get into a good B school, that MBA is only worth it. Doing an MBA from smaller college won't be so fruitful. So the fees at those B schools are pretty high. Like it's up to 16 lakhs, 17 lakhs. And about this course, it was just 3 months ka salary. So it's pretty cheap. And I went through the curriculum as well. So it was shaped into an industrial point of view. So, and also the course duration. Course duration was just 5 months, and we were also assured that we'll be getting a package of 4.5 lakhs plus. So that was cherry on the cake. I've never really attended college for such a long time. My attendance was so low that literally used to go to college one day gap or something like that. But I completed the whole course, attended all the lectures, and that was, I think, a totally different person altogether of me. And I'm really shocked that how I did get through all those hours. This course model is not like just theoretical stuff. You also get a practical learning experience, which I think is more important to grab your attention. And it becomes fun when you are doing practical cases and also for big brands. So that made my interest come up, and that's how I sat for the whole 12 hours at a stretch in a day. I'm actually an introverted kind of person. When the course started, I hardly used to talk with anyone. But as the course progressed, like we were made to work with a team, and also there were a lot of times when we had to interact with all our batchmates. So in the previous stage of our course, we were made to come out of our comfort zone to interact with people for various projects. We were made to work in a smaller breakout rooms so that we could interact with people more. So that's how the human skills part of the course changed my attitude and behavior, like personally. Now I enjoy mixing up with people without any such thoughts. And also one perk I missed saying before, this batch was such a great batch. It was totally non-judgmental and also accepting as well, and that's, I think, a great thing to be at. I was working on my startup. I knew nothing about digital marketing. And about this course, I've been introduced to various ads platform, Facebook, Google, Amazon. We learned about SEO. It's like an MBA level of preparation. Even in MBA degree, you aren't taught all of these digital marketing techniques. And I happened to discuss with one of my friend who has done MBA, and he got a job offer for digital marketing role. And it feels good to know that we are on the same level. So yeah, it's a great functional achievement for me. Yeah, so I had to closely report to the co-founder of Zipforms. If this training wasn't provided to us, it would have been a little different from what it is now. We were taught literally from the basics, like how we should respond to a particular email. We were basically structured from the basics. So I think that made quite a difference while interacting with someone on a Zoom meeting and having a verbal conversation, or yeah, or non-verbal as well. It just reflects into those small things. Right. So this was a completely new process for us, and also meeting new people online and interacting with them is a little difficult rather than going and meeting them personally. Also, this program, like, everything was structured so well and easily that we could grab on the concept so well and we could implement as well. Most of the learning experiences I had earlier were only theoretical and no practical experience as such. And this course focused totally on practical learning. So I think that was a different kind of learning experience in this course. Yeah. I'd just say that if you're having second thoughts about joining this course, just don't have any and just go for it. It's going to be a fun learning experience and it's going to be great, just great. So just go for it. Yeah.